guys, and welcome to Diddy Billy Toy. Today is the Easter. Have eggs. What eggs? We have our water. Here we're going to put them, and we are going to color them now in the water. And we're going to spin it. Let's put them. We're going to mix them, and there we have here purple, pink, yellow, green, and blue. Let's whisk them. Wow, she turned to pink, this egg. Purple. Wow, she turned to purple. The yellow one. And the blue one. It's turned to blue also. And the last one, my sister is gonna make it. Good job, Lily. And now the eggs finish. Here, just like we make it. It's blue, it's turned blue, and pink turned to pink, and purple turned to purple, and green and yellow turned also. And I want to draw. Let's draw something. There. Wow, my drawing is so nice. I finished drawing them. Let's show you the faces. Here is a little ducky with a girl. Here is the flower. The blue one is rabbit eating some carrots. Another rabbit wearing t-shirt. Did you like my thing that I drew it? Let's color them. I'm going to color them. Ooh, do you play? Okay, let's color them now. What that I'm going to choose? I'm going to choose the pink one. Do you want what to choose? Okay, the green one. Pink. Pink or green? Pink. Okay. Choose the pink. We're going to do this because this is pink. We're going to do the girl. Pink. Does not look like pink. Let's choose the blue one. Blue. And orange. 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 Can you finish and this? Orange. Orange. Like this. But I didn't finish. Okay, let's make the pink one. I'm going to choose red. Okay, I want the green one. Choose the flowers. My lovely flowers that I drew it. When I finish, oh, wow, yeah, thank you. My sister is going to color the green one. Here, color the green. My sister liked the pink so much. I like the blue and the pink because Elsa is blue throat. like this one. Here it is. Here we color them. You finished one. Okay. No. And now we filled it with the eggs. There. Oh, so nice. Please don't forget to subscribe to Lily Bitty Toys and click like and subscribe. And please let me know in the comments if you like my drawing or not. Bye!